What's up guys, it's Misakura. Today's theme, one of the most famous Japanese anime and manga characters. Pikachu! Pikachu! Yay! So kawaii drawings right here. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to draw even Pokeballs too, step by step. Get your pencil, color pencil, and a paper. Let's start. Okay, so I want to start drawing a guideline first. Pikachu's guideline, kind of like this. Circle, cross lines, okay? That's gonna be his face and his body. Just kind of triangle, soft triangle. Looks like kawaii onigiri, rice ball. Alright, now we are going to start drawing his nose, signature his nose and lips, eyes, stuff like that. Okay, so let's start. His nose. Maybe right in the middle, this cross line was slightly under. Either way it's fine, but tiny, look, triangle like this. Then we're gonna give him mouth. It's like a kawaii cat mouth, okay? Go like this, aww, and tongue line, okay? Then we are gonna start drawing, actually, yes, face line first. It's better to sort of secure his face line, and then we're gonna draw his eyes and red cheeks. Okay, so his top part, actually it's slightly flat. Not too round so much, right? It's not, I mean, not flat, but just a nice line like that, and keep it going. And his cheeks stick slap just a tiny bit, and his neck, shoulder, just like that. Animal characters, not just the Pikachu, but when we draw kawaii animal characters, remember they're not gonna have shoulder or maybe not like a human neck. Okay, so neck and shoulder, body, pretty much just everything right there. All right, then this side, let's go like this, just like here, cheeks sticking up just a tiny bit. All right, then we're gonna draw his eyes. So Pikachu's eyes not gonna be like sort of like yeah, they're not close to each other, a little bit apart. So let's start maybe drawing, I mean, yeah, which one do you want to draw first? I like drawing from right side, okay, like around here. So it's gonna be round, go like this. Okay, so let's have a little bit apart. Maybe if you look at his mouth, okay, so that's gonna be, it's a good guideline here. So that's, you definitely want to have this much of like a distance, okay, here. Then his eyes around here. Now let's see. Nice round. I like this. Kawaii. His shiny circle. Shiny. Okay, sometimes this shiny circle look at left, okay? But sometimes like they show up this shiny circle here and other sides here too. Maybe you kind of got confused what I said. I have to show you. Sorry about that. I get like this when I teach. It's better to just show, right? Yeah, like that. And let's give a black, solid, cool black eyes he has. Okay, go like this. And his cheeks. Red cheek is right here. But also I want to draw his sort of his arm coming out right here. So I don't want to draw his cheek this side yet. So let's leave it like this. Now let's just draw his ears. I hope you have a nice space on the top because that's going to be his ears. So let's start from here. Oh, do I have a space? Yes. I could go a little bit longer, but this is the longest I can go. Okay, go like this. And it's kind of cuter if you can draw his ear, you know, this side slightly laying down there, okay? this. Yeah. Okay, like that. Here we go. All right. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so this side of arm behind his body. So we're not gonna show it. This side, he's saying hello. So I want to draw his kawaii arm. Go like this. His wrist, it's not gonna be too small, so don't worry about it. It's kind of same thickness. Okay, and you're gonna draw 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. And his body, pretty much I want to draw this onigiri, the rice bowl line. So here, good, like this. And if you can pay attention, this, the bottom edge, slightly dip in. That would be great. And this side too. Okay, let's go. Like that. And his feet, kind of a long feet. Go like this. And here, line's going to be 2 lines. 1, 2. And the same thing other side. Here, whoops. 1, 2. Ta-da. Hey, if you like this lesson, why don't you check out my online school, Learn Manga with Misako, where I teach live kawaii manga lessons weekly. You have access to a private online community where you can post your drawing and I give you direct feedback. Also, I share behind the scenes of my bookmaking. All the details in the description below. Check it out. Then we're gonna draw his signature tail. It's gonna be this zigzag, this lightning, this tail. All right. So start from here, bottom 1, 2. Okay, go a little bit longer, and the last part is gonna be pretty long. Go like this. I think we can go a little bigger. And then come back, okay? And down there, down. Oh, so cute. And I want to add maybe Pokeballs too. Maybe a few. Red one and a little bit of gray too. Right, go like this. And maybe I want to add his name right here. So, maybe here. That'd be good. Okay, and 1 Pokeball. It's gonna be red one here. Line, belt. Okay, this one, let's add this shape. Well, first of all, we're gonna add this middle part like that. Okay, and go whoop. Yeah, got a little bit small. Sorry. Maybe I should draw his Pokeball slightly bigger, but this is good. So it's gonna be yellow and then gray. All right, now we're gonna erase this guideline and let's add a color. So I want you to use definitely yellow and red. I forgot. Jeez, I'm sorry. His cheek. This red cheek right here. Good. So let me erase guideline and let's start adding a color. Okay. I gotta be gentle. When I erase pencil line, I have to be really gentle. Okay, here we go. All right. Okay, so his body face, normally they do have, let's say 2-3 tones. If you have a yellow and of course red and a little bit of reddish brown, that'd be great. So let's start from yellow. If you sort of, hold color pencil kind of like this, okay? Instead of coloring like that, if you hold like this, so you can use here the big space of color pencil part, right? If you're coloring like this, pretty much you're using just a tip. But if you lay there, well, you can save your time. So try it. Okay. And I love adding a shade. Make it slightly 3D. So around this part, his skin, right? Touched. So just a little nice tan. Like that. Not too much, but it's good. Look at this! Let's write down his name in Japanese and let's add your signature. Okay, so where should I write down? Maybe here is better, right top, and your signature is right there. So this is how we write down his name in Japanese. Pikachu, here we go. Okay, I don't want to draw too big. 1, 2, 3. This is P. Next is Ka. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. So P, Ka. I guess it's K, right? And Chu. I guess Chu, it's a little longer. So Pikachu right here. Okay, and your signature, don't forget. Alrighty. Ta-da! What do you think? Did you enjoy? I mean, a little bit. Okay, if you pay attention, I'm pretty sure you add a little bit of tan there, little light brown around his ears, the edge, and then maybe bottom area. That would be good. And don't forget adding this brown, reddish brown around his tail. That's the key, okay? That's kind of sort of like, it's almost like in the behind his body, so it's, you can forget it, but just don't forget adding that. All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe Misako Rocks channel. If you have any requests, comments, and questions, don't forget to leave your comments right here. I can wait to hear what you think. And check out my graphic novel, Bounce Back. I can't wait to hear what you think of Ririko and Nico, Emma, Nala's story. Okay? Thank you so much, guys. Arigato. Bye-bye.